Alright, so we're back in Wichita. You guys might remember Hunter from the International project, and not a lot to update there, but today we're talking about the ammo box stove. So Hunter, maybe walk us through what we got here, and it's a neat little project you got.
The ammo box tin stove, nothing fancy. Got an idea, had an extra ammo box.
I know earlier you showed me it collapsing.
It's all taken apart, packed together.
It collapses.
Go up. Whoops. Just collapse it, pretty simple.
They just slide out, kind of just. I like how it's just. I like the friction fit. Like, there's no fittings to mess with. It's just kind of wedge it in.
Yeah.
You know, and it's just
easy to clean out. Top end.
You said you're gonna be burning this out, hopefully today.
Maybe today, yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Oh.
Adjuster, dampener.
This has American Piddler Station written all over it. Like, I hope he sees this thing. Pretty slick. And then I know pie in the sky, or the ultimate purpose of this build, you got some kind of camping excursions planned, maybe later.
Colorado elk hunting, Colorado UTV expedition.
So it's pretty slick because it's not going to take up a lot of space in your trailer or whatever you end up building, but
yeah, possibility of putting it in a tree stand, make it every day look more cozy. So we'll see how it all turns out. It's just an idea, kind of a little